Hello viewers, you are watching Watch in TK official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio new analog digital combination watch. It's a new model from Casio, Japan, and it's in stainless steel chain with black dial, and as you can see both analog and digital functions are available in this watch. It's a pretty attractive watch, and this is the look from the side. It's in chain, and it's Casio watch, and the model is AMW-870D-1AV. We have recently reviewed the same watch in a rattan strap, and you can check out that video also on our channel. So viewers, this is pretty attractive watch. It's a new model, and this is a close-up of the dial. As you can see, it comes with 10-year battery and illuminator, and also on the dial you can see Casio is written, and water resist 50 meter water resistance. And there are 4 buttons, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. So viewers, in this video we are going to review this watch, and the time setting, the digital function, and how to change the analog time. And also we will try this watch on the wrist. We will check the weight. It's a pretty heavy weight watch. I can feel the weight. And also we will check the diameter of the round dial. So watch this video, because at the end we will also let you know that from where you can order this watch internationally and in Pakistan. So this is the chain. It's in silver stainless steel, and you just need to press these both to open the buckle. And this is the back side of the dial. So it's Casio WR, wall time, and the functions that are available in this watch are written on the back. So viewers, it's a black dial, and this portion is for digital and also the analog features. So with this mode button on the left bottom, the mode button, you can check different features of the watch. So it comes with 30 telememo, and also the wall time. So right now it's London, so you can toggle different cities time, like it's Paris, Berlin, Cairo, Jerusalem, Jeddah, Moscow, Tehran. And this is the second time, dual time, telememo, wall time, alarm, and the timer. You can set the digital timer as well in this watch, and the stopwatch function. So these are the standard functions available in all Casio watches. And the time. So these are the functions, different functions available in this watch. So viewers, this watch comes with the booklet. So this is the booklet. So in this booklet, a user guide. So basically there is detail of all the functions that are available in this watch, and this booklet comes in English, French, Chinese, and also in Arabic. So for example, to adjust the analog time, it's on page number 16. So when you open page number 16, so to adjust the analog time, so the one on the left, C and A, they have labeled it C and A. In the timekeeping mode, press C 6 times to enter the hand setting mode. Hold down A until the current digital time starts to flash, and then press D to advance analog time setting by 20 seconds. And if you need to advance analog time a long way, press D and B at the same time. So we will just try this. So this is the mode. So if you press it 6 times till you get this time. So, and then you need to press this button, this one. Just press it and then it will start to flash. See, it's flashing right now. And then you need to press this button. See, when I'm pressing this button, analog time is changing. So this is how you change analog time. And of course, if you will release it, it will stop. So you need to press these 2 buttons at the same time. Let's try this and see, it is moving. So if you want to change analog time a long way, so you just press these 2 at the same time and the analog time will change, and you can press this again if you want to stop. So it will stop. Okay, a little bit up. Okay, this is fine. So you need to press it again. So this is how you change the analog time. So you will get the user guide and manual, which will help you learn and set different functions of this digital watch. So viewers, we will try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, this is how it looks. It looks pretty attractive on the wrist. And those who like watches with the weight, it's an ideal watch for them. So we will check the weight of this watch in gram, and I'm sure the weight will be somewhere near 200 gram. So let's check. So viewers, we will check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, weight of this watch is 166.5. So weight of this watch is 166.5 gram. It's a pretty heavyweight watch. So we will check the diameter of the round dial in millimeter. So viewers, the diameter of the round dial is 44.5 mm. 44.5 mm is the diameter of the round dial. And let's check this area that falls on your wrist. So it's around 50 mm. 50 mm, the area that falls on your wrist. Let's check the thickness of the diameter. It's around 12.5 mm. So viewers, this watch is available on our online store. If you're in Pakistan, you can order this watch from our online store, watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available, and you will get this watch within 3 to 5 days. If you're not in Pakistan, for international users, we have given link in the description. So you just click on the link and you can order this watch. And you can also contact us on our WhatsApp number 031022333484. And viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Casio watches videos, new watches videos, analog digital combination, and other videos of Casio. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching the video.